Hey guys, so today we are going to make veg flour cake. For that, firstly we will require 2 cups of wheat flour. We will sieve it well. Then we have to add half tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Then we will mix it well. After mixing, we will keep this mixture aside and take in another bowl and add around 3 tablespoons of ghee in it. Along with that, we have to add 2 tablespoons of curd and around 2 tablespoons of coffee to enhance the taste of our cake, and jaggery powder, around 1 cup of jaggery powder, and then we have to whisk it well. After this, we have to grease our cake tin either with oil or ghee. Now we will preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 minutes. Now we will pour our mixture of cocoa powder and wheat flour in our bowl. Now we have to prepare our batter by whisking it well. Keep adding milk to make a mixture and also avoid lumps. This is how our batter will look alike. Pour our batter in cake tin. Add choco chips. Now keep your cake to be baked at 180 degrees Celsius for around 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, take it out. And now, to check whether our cake is ready or not, we can insert a toothpick in it. If your toothpick comes out clean enough, then your cake is ready. Then you have to cover it so that it gets cooled down. After around 30 minutes, we will take it out. If your cake is baked well, then it will come easily. And our cake is ready. Look how spongy it is. Tasty as well as healthy. Thank you so much, guys.